Before you spend your money on Maison De Laurent, you might want to watch this review first because many online shoppers are asking the same question. Is Maison De Laurent a legitimate, luxury-style brand or just another website that looks premium but doesn't deliver what it promises? In this video, I take a close look at Maison De Laurent and analyze several important factors that usually reveal whether an online store is trustworthy or not. The website presents itself as a high-end fashion brand with elegant product photos, stylish designs, and attractive discounts that can easily catch the attention of shoppers looking for luxury items at lower prices. However, when examining online stores like this, appearance alone isn't enough to determine credibility. I carefully evaluated details such as the product listings, pricing patterns, transparency of company information, and overall consistency of the brand's presentation. Some aspects of the site appear professionally designed, which is common for many modern e-commerce stores, but that doesn't automatically confirm long-term reliability. I also looked at the type of products being offered and how they are marketed, which often gives clues about how established a brand truly is. In addition, I checked publicly available customer feedback and general online reputation signals to see what buyers are saying about their experiences. The results show a mixed picture. Some elements suggest the store is trying to position itself as a luxury-inspired brand, while other factors raise questions that careful shoppers may want to consider before making a purchase. This doesn't necessarily mean the site is a scam, but it also means buyers should do proper research and proceed thoughtfully. As with many online stores that suddenly appear and gain attention, the safest approach is to review policies, payment protection options, and customer feedback before ordering. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of Maison De Laurent and whether it's a store you feel comfortable trusting with your money.